uh, like I actually started, preparation for this examination in January 2015, and my orientation for first 3 months was like for prelims, and after like prelims went by, and then I started preparation, and then my preparation was holistic in the sense I included means at that point of time. So it was like in mid 2015 I started preparation for the means of UPSC. So, but over the period of time, I mean, I was conscious of the fact that I have to include I have to, sit in preliminary examination. Yeah. So it was a holistic, it was an integrated approach then. So both the things I carried forward. I mean, studied for means, and then eventually, as the prelims came nearer, orientation shifted at that point of time.
So how did you prepare for the compulsory language paper? And what was your option for language paper?
My language paper was Urdu. I mean, I didn't study anything for that, so I was good at it. In fact, I was so good at it, in Urdu. Somebody told me that you can take it as your optional, and I tried for 2-3 days. But then I was not comfortable with it, so I didn't take it optional. But yes, I mean, overall, it's good. So I didn't prepare separately.
Talking about optional, you had sociology as an optional subject in ICSE.
Right.
So do you think the educational background of the candidate have a direct relation in choosing the optional subject?
It has. I mean, like, if you have taken up any subject in your graduation, in your masters, you are already familiar with that subject. You are already familiar with the lexicon of that subject. So if you suppose choose the same subject for your civil service examination, it becomes easy for you to cope up with the subject. But in my case, it was a little different. I have studied management from so many years. Even I'm studying it right now. But I actually decided to take sociology. It was essentially because of the reason that I was very much interested in sociology from the day one. And also I checked the syllabus of sociology. I think I'm very much comfortable with it. It was something, it was not abstract. Sociology is not abstract. You study something, it's relevant. The things, social institutions which are around you, it's about family, religion, and these are the things which are around you. And another criteria why I chose it was because sociology is a common optional, and there is a lot of guidance available for the same. I could go up to anybody and he can tell me that what you're supposed to do and what not. And then test series, that's also important. And then test series of sociology is available very much, not for management. So these were the criteria basically for choosing sociology as my option.